Right, so everyone, so I am at the Birkenhead Bommy. There it is behind me. So I've got loads of drone footage, so I'll put some drone footage on the screen now, but I'm going to walk around and see what's what. Okay, I'll have a little walk around. See what footage can get off there. Fire. Loads of fireworks have been up already. More going up now. And I will see what's what. See you in a minute. So I'm nice and close to it now, and you can feel the heat. Well, I say nice and close, I'm not. About 30 yards away. But it's roasting. Fireworks going off there. Enjoy the drone footage. So this road was on yesterday, and it's like a party, atmosphere, like a festival. DJ, ice cream vans, first aiders. Someone's got a marquee there in the front garden.
ಅದಲ್ಲಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್
Wonder why it's empty here. Can't I feel the heat off that? Burning my face.
yeah, so
Wow, that was close. Sorry, mate.
Told me I was going home, so I get in.
Here's the DJ. Tell you what, this is how it's done. See all the smoke down there, that was a rogue firework. So, a little bit away from the fire now. Still chock around here. People everywhere. There's a fire behind me in the distance. Yeah, it's a good turnout. Last year they said 3,000 people. Probably not far off that, if I'm being honest. It's good. Good turnout. Like, you got all these little stores, like people's stalls and that as well. Look at this. You know, there's everything you need. You look behind me, you got an Ascot nice ones as well. This here is the staging area for where all the fireworks get set off. See them all burning out on the floor there. Still looking to be set up there as well. Gonna get in, gonna get in. Don't know who can make it out. But yeah, those still to get set off. Yeah, someone's in there now. Is he going to set one off? We'll wait a minute and see. Yeah, there's one getting lit now. And there we go, we can hear me. That was a good one. No, they cost a fortune and things as well, so yeah. Fair play to all the lads who were sorting this out. There they are, the rockets. Right, that's me done at the Birkenhead bombing now, so there it is in the background. That's going to be burning for days, that. But yeah, they're still putting more and more fireworks out. This is going to go on all night, this, but that's me done. Get home, edit the video, get it out and let everyone watch it. They've put on a good show, they really have. It's quite well organised as well. You know, everything's fenced off, all the firework area here, that's all fenced off. And the football cages there for the other ones, which no one's allowed in. So yeah, and they've got all the fireworks protected in a van just behind me there. So yeah, well done everyone. Yeah, if you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel. Plenty more different content coming. Comment, let me know what you think. Big one went off there. And give us a thumbs up if you like the video and share it with people. Okay, thanks for watching. Speak to you all soon. Bye now.